this is your sign to go blonde this summer, babe. Your girl hasn't done a blonde wig in a hot minute, and this one is definitely a whole vibe. I'm loving the density of this wig, and the hairline actually looks very good for a blonde wig. Every time I install a blonde wig, I always have issues with the lace blending, but this one looks pretty freaking good. I applied my foundation over the lace when I did my makeup, and it's super blended. I also went down the parting so that you could definitely see the parting. I did do the bald cap today. I typically do not do a bald cap, but with a blonde wig install, I feel like it's major key if your hair is dark or black like mine. If you do the bald cap, you're not gonna see your hair peeking through underneath and causing like a weird shadow. I would like to give a big thank you to Dorsanee Hair for sponsoring today's video for you guys. So this is one of their 13x4 lace frontal wigs. The color of this wig is P18613. So it is a nice blonde, but it does have some more cool tones in it, which I think looks really great on our skin tone. If you have been dying to try a blonde this summer, I think this one is super cute. This is a straight texture, and this wig is 26 inches long, y'all. By the way, I did glue down this wig. I cannot remember the last time I glued down a wig. So yeah, y'all are getting a special treat today. This baby is stuck on my head, okay? She ain't going nowhere. If you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous blonde wig, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
So I just finished doing my makeup live on TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you do so. Makeup doll on everything, but it will be linked in the description box down below for you guys. As you can see, the lace is looking a lot more blended now. I did apply my foundation to the lace as well. I'm gonna go ahead and back y'all up so we can style this wig. So here is what the wig is looking like right now. Let's go ahead and brush this baby out. She's cute. Now she doesn't have any parting yet. Let's decide if I want to do a middle parting or a side parting. I think I'm going to do a middle parting. I'm going to take my wax stick. Then I'm going to take a little bit of spritz. Next, I'm going to take my hot comb. You're going to hear that baby sizzle. Don't be scared. Then I'm going to do the same on this side as well. Make sure you get that back. Now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. This is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC50. And I'm going to put that down my parting just to make this area look more pronounced. So the hair is pretty much already silky straight, but I just want to go ahead and just make sure that it's as sleek as possible. So I'm just going to run through the hair with my flat iron.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real.
And then I'm going to do the same on this side as well.
Say blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why are you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me.
Look at this wig, y'all. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Dorsanee Hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you like my makeup in this video, you'll definitely want to check out my latest Get Ready With Me. I'm gonna leave the link right here for you guys. Make sure you go check that out.